Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to connect ChatGPT to Microsoft OneDrive. Connecting ChatGPT to Microsoft OneDrive is mostly about linking your Microsoft account through supported integrations since ChatGPT doesn't directly log into OneDrive like a traditional app. Start by opening ChatGPT in your browser, then go to Settings and look for the Apps or Connected Apps section where supported services can be linked. If OneDrive isn't listed directly, the integration usually routes through Microsoft services like SharePoint or Microsoft 365. In that case, selecting SharePoint will prompt you to sign in with your Microsoft account, which also covers OneDrive access since both are tied to the same ecosystem. After signing in and granting permissions, ChatGPT can access files you choose during uploads or connected workflows, allowing you to summarize documents, analyze spreadsheets, or reference stored files without manually downloading them. If anything stops working later, you can revisit connected apps and settings and reauthorize access, since expired permissions are the most common issue. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.